Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2002 Honda Goldwing Trike. Bike is blue in color. Has the motor Trike kit. Has some really nice pinstriping done. You know, the thing about pinstriping is you can always remove it. It's not cleared over. There's even a little image here. Again, all that could be removed. Nice bike here. This is the extended or the aftermarket tips on it. They're quite large. Looks great. Seats in excellent condition. Has little fender protectors here. Chrome wheels. Tires are like new, the front and the back. The way the sun hits this in certain angles, it does appear purple, but in other angles it's definitely blue, so it's kind of nice. Bike has really low miles. 28,500 miles on this one. 28,500 miles. Again, the pinstriping kind of goes all throughout the bike. It's all in great shape. It just comes down to a matter of preference. Someone definitely paid some good money to have that done. But again, could be removed. There's a lot of tricks online, videos on YouTube and things showing you how to pull that off without taking it to a body shop or anything. Just do it right at home, over-the-counter products. It's a 2002 Honda Goldwing. We'll go ahead and start it up so we can hear it. Starts right up, 28,500 miles only. Has a radio, cruise control. These are air ride suspension. Has the ring of fire on the front. Definitely a nice trike here. Any questions about this bike or getting it home? Sorry about that, forgot to point out a couple extra lights here. Like I said, any questions about getting this bike out of Florida and to your home state, just give us a call, give us your zip code, we'll help you out. We do that quite a bit for our other customers. Shipping rates start at $300 and they go up from there, just depends on where you live. There's the ring of fire. Looks really nice. Can't really see it now when it's sunny out. Other option would be you can fly into Tampa Bay International, we'll pick you up and you can ride her home. The bike's been serviced and it's ready to ride. Has like new tires. Not much to say on a Goldwing with 28,000 miles. This is a nice one here. Again, we're located in Tampa, Florida. Our website to see some of our other bikes is www.myridepro.com. We do have other trikes for sale. Bike runs excellent and it's ready to roll. Thanks for watching, guys. Our phone number is 813-615-1700. 813-615-1700. Thanks again.